Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our gameplay walkthrough of Eldritch Horror. This is Season 2, Episode 10 of Cthulhu. Great Older One, Cthulhu versus Agatha Crane, Lily Chen, and Norman Withers, our investigators, parapsychologist, martial artist, and astronomer. This is turn 10. On turn 9, Lily Chen lost in time and space trying to close the gate in Hyperborea. Norman Withers and Agatha across the world, San Francisco and Antarctica, closing gates. We've also completed, at the end of the Mythos phase, if there are Eldritch tokens on this mystery equal to the number of investigators solve the mystery, do not discard the Eldritch tokens from the game board. So this is the second mystery solved. We will have to get a third mystery. Rillieux risen. Aeons ago, the city of Rillieux was plunged to the bottom of the ocean by some forgotten disaster. It has remained trapped there, waiting for the right time to resurface. Now that moment has finally arrived. When this card enters play, place the mystery token on space 3. The mystery token is on space 3 in the middle of the Pacific, off the coast of somewhere in the South Pacific between Buenos Aires and Sydney, off the coast of, even far from Easter Island. We've got that strange longitude and latitude that Lovecraft refers to in the Call of Cthulhu. Rillieux has risen. When this card enters play, place the mystery token on space 3. As an encounter, an investigator on space 3 may explore the island city of Rillieux by resolving a Rillieux Risen special encounter. Well, I think that sounds like a perfect destination for Agatha Crane's next teleport, but maybe she will do the expedition first because she's here. So now we are on our third mystery. The Doom track is on 8, so there's some time left, but Lily Chen lost in time and space. Agatha Crane, she will spend a turn to rest, I believe, just to get her health and sanity back. She also, does she have a special move? She does, but she can gain a clue as when she casts a spell. Oh, she did cast that spell successfully, the Instill Bravery spell, so I believe she gains an extra clue for that. So let's just go to the clue bag. That was from last turn. We'll resolve that. Great, so she does have an extra clue here. So I believe then she will use her turn to go to Rillieux. At the same time, she will buy since she's not moving this turn, she did the rest, she will buy a boat token so that she can leave Rillieux by boat. So after she teleports there, she can quickly get up to help Norman perhaps. So resolve the expedition this turn, and then move on to Rillieux next turn. Let's move on to Lily Chen. So now we have this lost in time and space. Remove your investigator token from the game board. You are unaffected by other game effects. Instead of resolving encounter, flip this card. So this is her encounter phase. So she performs no action this turn. She's in limbo. And let's move on to Norman Withers. So Norman Withers will, again, he will also rest. That was quite an encounter from the last Mythos. He will rest to gain back some health and sanity. He does have a focus token, and he will use his second token to collect I guess he will move up this way because then he can get this token on the way back. He will do an encounter with that token. So Agatha encounter expedition, Norman encounter for a research card, and Lily will do the encounter of Lost in Time and Space. So let's start with Agatha. She's on the expedition. Let's pull our expedition card. And read it off. So Antarctica. You find the foundation of some ancient structure, but a snowstorm is on its way. Resolve the pass effect to get up your tent and wait out the storm, or resolve the fail effect to try to dig up the foundations before the blizzard starts. Okay, so resolve the pass effect to set up your tent and wait out the storm. So let's resolve the pass effect and try to wait out the storm. The terrifying winds and cold last throughout the night. So we got to make our check. And there, she's able to also include this. If you pass, you evacuate the area the next day and discover a lost treasure. Gain 1 artifact. So she is quite the artifact collector. And, oh, this is a great one. Artifact card. She gets the alien device. So it's just like, I mean, this is a great Antarctic adventure with an alien device. How cool can that be? So it's like the thing. So she gains +3 from a lore when resolving a spell effect. You may spend 1 sanity to reroll any number of dice when resolving a lore test. So this is great. She's got an alien device that's sort of like a infinite improbability drive that allows her to stack the odds. Awesome. Okay, so Expedition now moves to the Heart of Africa, because Heart of Africa is the top card. Let's move on to Lily Chen, Lost in Time and Space. She will do what the bidding of the back of the Lost in Time and Space card. The river of time has muddied, and you struggle to find a way home. So she's going to roll her test. She also has, she can re-roll her dice, and she has a focus token. So let's have her roll. She is going to re-roll all the dice by her lucky talisman, and she gets a 6. If you pass, place your investigator on the space of your choice. If you so she passes. So I will place her right back where she was to close that gate. And then I can discard this. So she was lost in time and space, but she actually gets to come through, and she returns back to Hyperborea where she can fight. So that is a scary card to get. So she went through the portal, got lost in time and space, like zoned out for half a turn or so, and now she's choosing to come back to close off that gate because she can. Okay, so that is that, and now Norman Withers is going to resolve his research clue. So Norman Withers is in a city space, so he's up in Alaska or something. In your dreams, you explore a city under the ocean. Deep ones guide you to a lavish throne room where the mighty Dagon offers you a bargain. You may gain a dark pact condition. If you gain the condition, you wake up next to a strange text. Gain 1 tome artifact. Well, I don't think I want to have the dark pact condition. So straight and narrow, Norman Withers will get his clue and abstain from the dark pact to get some ancient artifact. So he gains his clue. He's happy with his clue, and that resolves the encounter phase. Let's move on to the Mythos phase. So the clock is ticking down a bit. The Mythos cards are running out. If we run out of Mythos cards, we get to play our mod for the game, which is Final Mythos. So let's see what happens here. You hang your head in exhaustion. It says support of the church. You hang your head in exhaustion and frustration. You jump suddenly when a hand rests on your shoulder. To your relief, you turn to find the local priest. Have faith, my child, he tells you. Your good works have not gone unseen. Your brave acts are making a difference. So we advance the Mythos Omen. Is there any gate open with that? There is not. And if not, Oh no, just advance the omen, that's fine. The next one is resolve a monster surge. So monster surge on each gate that corresponds to the omen. If no gates correspond to the omen, spawn a new gate. So we will spawn a new gate. Tokyo. Back to Agatha's starting space, and we will put a monster there in Tokyo. And we get a skeleton. So the skeleton is there in Tokyo Gate. And lastly, spawn a clue. Reference our clue bag. Add a clue. And we'll put the clue in the Great Pyramids. So, okay, so it says, finally, support of the church event, the lead investigator gains a blessed condition. So this is a strange time in Eldritch horror when nothing bad actually happens. So we will gain a blessed condition, and that will be that. So lead investigator gains a blessed condition. 4, 5s, and 6s count as wins. So she is getting more and more OP as the turns go on. That is the end of the Mythos phase. Let's just check in on the card. It says at the end of the Mythos phase, if there are Eldritch tokens on this card equal to half, solve the mystery. So that is fine. So we're going to save that for next round. That looks like it's going to wrap it up for turn number 10. Be sure to check out the links, Patreon below. Check out our book links on the bookstore links and our Pontos Fathom Press channel. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching us play. See you on turn 11 next round, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.